Thank you for returning, showing your support. My channel is slowly growing and I do appreciate that. We are about ready to hit the 100 subscriber mark. For that, I'm thinking of doing a small giveaway. Speaking of giveaways, I do have the Blue Blood palette giveaway going on still. Once we hit 500 subscribers, that giveaway will commence. Please go back and find that video for all the rules to enter. Today we're going to be doing the unboxing of Bircbox for April 2019. Now, I don't know if everybody gets Bircbox. I'm rather new to Bircbox. They are fixing to raise their prices. I generally pay $10 a month for this subscription, and I have heard that it is going to be raised to $15 a month. And if you are a new subscriber, you're already paying $15 a month. I have a heck of a time getting in these boxes every month. So, you will be paying between $10, $13, and $15 a month for this box. Now, I was okay with paying $10 a month for a sample box. I do get a couple of boxes that are sample boxes. But if they're raising it to $15, I will probably cancel this subscription. This is this month's box. It's a box that always comes inside of a box. So the box for April is a holographic top box with a pink bottom. As always, the Bircbox symbol and the magic inside. So, we're going to open this up and see what's in here. There is a card. It says this is the beginning of the new Bircbox experience and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best. So, like it, hate it, we want to know. Text us at 1-646-798-1563. So that's pretty neat. You can let them know. Now, they did say that they would be bringing bigger and better things. But like I said, if it's going to continue to be just a sample box, I will probably discontinue this box unless my price stays at $10. On the back of the card tells you everything that you got inside your box. So, pretty green tissue paper this month. When you open it up, there's another card. Bircbox, $15 off your next order. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 plus shop order. So that'll be cool. I have checked out Bircbox. They do have a lot of great items other than the ones that you receive in your box. These are all the items that I received in my box. So let's go through them. The first thing I am pulling out is Lease Waiter. Water. I know I'm butchering that. It's a dramatic, intense 3D volume mascara. The full size of this is $25. It says, this mascara wand's unique shape coats each lash with its jet black color and conditioning caramine-rich formula for luscious, fuller lashes. So I've never heard of this company or person before, but that is what we got. One mascara down. The next thing I'm pulling out is the number 4 Soothing Balm. The full size of this is $30. Prep damp hair with this styling cream, which contains tiny molecules that penetrate each strand to minimize frizz, add touchable texture, and protect against heat damage. Now, I do have the another thing by this company. It does smell good, and I have tried the other. I did like it. It was the Prep and Protect from this number 4 company. So I can't wait to try that out. Then we have the Balance Me Congested Skin Serum. The full size for this is $23. This calming serum that doubles as a spot treatment refines pores and balances skin without drying it out. Apply a thin layer to cleansed skin or directly onto any blemishes. So that'll be nice. It is 99% natural. So that makes me hope that there are some good ingredients in here. It is a very thin formula. And it smells a little minty. It's a nice, enjoyable smell. It just does have a fragrance, which is a little minty. And then the next thing we have in here is by Kula. Kula Resilience Organic BB Plus Cream SPF 30 Golden. The full size of this is $52. This BB cream sunscreen hybrid hydrates skin with rose botanical stem cells while adding a touch of sheer color that's unblendable. Now, as you know, I do not wear liquid foundation, BB creams, CC creams, any of that. So I'm going to put this inside of the giveaway tote. And my dogs are in here, so if you do hear them, that is what you're hearing. The next thing is by Wonder Beauty, which I am really enjoying this company. We are getting a lot of products from it. This is the Lip Retreat Oil Skinny Dip. Full size is $22. Packed with a blend of oils that firm and moisturize your lips. This pinky beige shade glides on to give you all-day hydration, bold color payoff, and subtle shine. This is an exclusive. It does have the tip that I do like with lip glosses and balms. It is a very pretty color. And I don't know if it has a smell because all I can smell is this Balance Me. It is a little tacky. It doesn't feel like an oil that you would assume the oil it would feel like. But I will try that out and see how I like it. And then the last thing in here is by Sunday Riley. This is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. I did pick this out. Birchbox is allowing you to customize parts of your boxes now, which is very nice. But this is the Luna Sleeping Night Oil. The full size of this is $105. This cult favorite retinol oil reduces the appearance of pores, wrinkles, and redness over time. Start by applying a few drops after moisturizing twice a week and work up to more. So I am very excited about trying this out. I'm sure that it is a very small sample, but with it being a night oil, you don't really need a whole bunch. That is what that item looks like outside of the box. And just for size comparison, but like I said, for an oil, you don't need a whole great big lot. And it does smell good. So, we got the oh yeah, I guess it is. It's a Sleeping Night Oil by Sunday Riley. Chloe, stop it. The mascara. The number 4 smoothing balm. The Balance Me skin serum. And then the Wonder Beauty lip oil. And the Kula organic BB cream that went into the giveaway. So we are getting 6 items this month, which we usually only get 5. So maybe that's their bigger and better things. Either way, I did enjoy this box. I did get some products in here that I have not tried before that I am willing to try and test out. So if you like this video, please give my video a thumbs up, possibly subscribe, come back and see what else my dogs are doing and what kind of noises they can make. But until then, I will see you later and you stay beautiful. Bye.